In this video today, I will show you how Google, a platform most of you use daily, can make you thousands of dollars in passive income when you combine it with this website here. This has nothing to do with selling or promoting anything. No social media platforms are involved like YouTube, Facebook, or others, and this will work in your country no matter where it is. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so as I said in that intro, guys, you will get paid in PayPal money from the platform I will show you soon enough. And as such, your first step is to come over to paypal.com, where you will want to create your PayPal account. And by the way, as you can see, PayPal works in many different countries around the globe, which is the exact reason I said this will most likely work in your country. Anyhow, to create your account on PayPal here, you want to now come back up a bit and you will see the sign up button in the upper right corner, on which you want to click. On the very next page, just select personal account and click on continue. And from there, you'll just enter in stuff like your first and last names, email address, phone number, address, and so on. And when you create your PayPal account, you will now be able to get paid. And so it's now time to go to the second platform. That platform in question is, of course, Google. As I said, we will be using a simple Google trick to get paid today. And so you now want to come over to Google and you will want to search for stuff along the lines of cute cats, cute dogs, beautiful landscape, nature, and so on. You will simply want to find great looking images. And here's the thing, you will want them in all different niches. So you want photos that are all unrelated to one another, and I will show you why that is when we go over to the third platform. In any case, I searched for cute cats here as an example. And now what you want to do before you download a photo is click on Tools right here. And then you'll be able to see usage rights over here, on which you want to click, and finally select Creative Commons licenses. Now, as some of you may guess, this is the Google trick I was talking about. Not many people know about this at all, and what this does is gives you the license to freely use any one of these photos. If you downloaded the photos from before and used them, you would get taken down for copyright. But now you can use any one of these freely however you want to. From there, you simply want to find a nice looking photo. Try to find the best one of them all, and you want to click on it, then right click and select Save Image as to download it to your PC. From there, you want to search for something different, as I said, for example, nature. And by the way, just check out how beautiful these photos are. Once again, once you find one you like, right-click on it and click on Save Image As, and you will repeat this process for all of the images in whatever niche you pick, until you have around 10 or so images in all different niches. Finally, from there, you will want to come over to the platform I've mentioned time and time again, and the platform that will actually pay us, called clickasnap.com. And immediately when you come on here, you see this. It pays to share. Sign up and get paid for your content. And your content will indeed be those very images you found over on Google for absolutely free without even having to take them yourself. The way this works is as follows. You upload an image on this website. Whenever someone views it, they will see a bunch of ads on the side of the image, and the website shares the ad revenue with the person who uploaded the photo, which in this case will be you. And just a side note here, I'm assuming most of you watching this don't have a camera, but if you happen to be an even halfway decent photographer and you have a good camera, then it would be a far better option to simply take the photos yourselves. This will add originality to your images, and in the end, you'll be doing what you love. Now, with that said, this platform, guys, has been around for quite some time, and it wasn't so popular not too long ago, but for whatever reason, it blew up, and now it literally gets millions of visits. Furthermore, I remember a while back that it paid much less money per image viewed. As you can see here, it will pay you 70 cents. This used to be just 15 cents. And even though 70 cents may still seem like a small amount of money, trust me, it's not. Think about it. If 100 people view your photo, that's already $70 made in passive income. And this site gets millions of visits, so it's nearly guaranteed you will get some decent views at the very least. So now is the perfect time to jump onto this website and take advantage of the fact that it's gotten so popular and that it started paying more for the photos. Anyhow, on this page here, you can see some more info regarding the payment. The minimum payout is $15, as you can see, which isn't the lowest for sure, but it isn't too bad either. Now, before we move on to the site, something I really want to show you are the numbers, which you can see on this platform I've shown time and time again called similarweb.com. And check this out. In the past month, Click-a-Snap got nearly 2.4 million visits. This used to be just 300,000 visits or so back in December 2020, which wasn't that long ago. So, as I said before, this site has grown tremendously, which means it's the perfect time to start using it to get paid. And just think about this for a second. This site gets 2.4 million visits a month. Let's say that in total, for an entire month, 0.1% of the total visitors view your photos. That's still 2,300 views, which would mean you would make $15,000 in passive income. You just upload the photos, and that's all the work you have to do. So, as you can see, even if we're being insanely conservative, you can still make thousands of dollars on this website. And I can guarantee you that more than 0.1% of people will view your photos, which in turn means that you can make way more than $10,000 a month, most definitely. Anyhow, back on Click-a-Snap here, what you need to do in order to start getting paid is click on Sign Up for Free right here. From there, you can sign up via Facebook, Google, or Twitter, which is ultimately faster, or alternatively, you can just sign up via email and enter in your email address, username, and password before agreeing to their terms and clicking on Create an Account just below. Now, once you sign up, there is a bit of a catch I have to mention with this site. It isn't 100% free if you do want to get paid for people viewing your photos. But take a look at this. In order to get paid for views, you just need to invest £2 into this site, which is just under $3 for an entire month, while you can literally make thousands of dollars during that time. I know this is a bit of a disappointment for many of you, but I can assure you it will be well worth it to invest such a small amount of money into this site. Once you do, you can just use Google to upload like 10 images a day, and once you have a few dozen images, you'll be able to make thousands of dollars in passive income from there. As new people are discovering this site every single day, which means some of your older photos will get views months and months after they've been uploaded. Now, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.